About 7 simple tips. My name is Victor Benite and I'm the founder of the CEO University, and my vision is to constantly empower others to live a life of impact through entrepreneurship and business for the ultimate fulfillment of your human potential. That's one of the reasons why I created the CEO University, to be able to impact people positively and help businesses grow. Now stay to the end of this video because I have a bonus tip that I will share with you, and it's going to help you make more sales without any extra effort. Now be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, as it tell the YouTube algorithm that this is a great video, okay? This is a great video. We need you guys to, click the like button on this particular video. So to increase their sales numbers, many companies all over the world have tried many different strategies. Now, some of them have succeeded, but many others have failed. And the reason behind this is that some tactics work for certain businesses, but not for others. Now, it's important to keep in mind that every business has its own unique set of circumstances and needs. The truth is that the best way to increase sales is to implement a strategy that will work for your business. Now, with the right approach and mindset, you can make your company's sales increase by following some simple yet effective methods that we will discuss in this video. I'm going to talk about 7 of them. Now, the first one is put yourself in the customer's shoes. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. Knowing why people buy from you can help you increase your sales. One of the biggest mistakes that businesses make is not knowing why people buy their products. An example of this is if you're selling children's clothing online and your sales are slow, it might mean that the reason people are not buying is because your designs are not bright, or they're not exciting, or maybe you're not even offering any kind of discounts. Now, if you can put yourself in the customer's shoes and think like a customer, it'll help you understand what they want to see from your store and how you can get more sales. You have to put yourself in the mind of your customer. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. The second tip, which is kind of a continuation of number 1, is to understand what your customers' wants and frustrations are. Properly targeting your marketing communications can improve the success of lead generation. Now, what does that mean? It means that you need to understand the frustrations of your customers so that you can provide them with a solution. For example, if your target audience is comprised of people who are constantly on the go and don't have time for shopping, then it'll make sense for you to offer a mobile-friendly website or an app. Like, you gotta really figure out what's frustrating your customer. How can they buy from you quickly? Through qualitative research, find out what challenges your target audience faces, then demonstrate how you can help them overcome these challenges. Every entrepreneur must be aware of and responsive to the changing needs of their customers if they're going to stay ahead in the market. For example, clothing stores must change their stock to match the different seasons. They sell summer clothes during summer and immediately discount their summer stock and start preparing for winter. Selling summer clothes when people stay warm during winter is a surefire way to lose market share. This same principle applies to other types of businesses as well. For example, if you're selling a product that helps people lose weight, then start promoting your product during summer when people are more likely to be worried about their weight, right? Think about their frustrations. This is a nice segue into number 3, which is the blue ocean strategy. It's important to stand out and be unique in order to gain market share. If you're competing against other businesses that sell the same or similar products, then you need to find a way to make your business unique. For example, if you're selling clothing, your competitor is selling the same type of clothes at cheaper prices than yours, then consider offering something different. Maybe better quality, better customer service, better service delivery. Like, look for ways to stand out, look for ways to be unique. This is called the blue ocean strategy. It's a strategy that focuses on creating new market space by offering consumers something different from what already exists in the market. Figure out what makes you unique and communicate that to your customers, and you watch your sales increase exponentially. Number 5, consistent marketing strategies. One of the biggest mistakes that many businesses make is not having a consistent marketing strategy. They launch a marketing campaign, it works well for a while, then they stop investing in it and move on to something else. A shiny new object or a new strategy has come up. Don't do this. Instead, create an ongoing process with your marketing campaigns so that you can consistently reach more customers without having to spend more money each time on something new. You need to have a consistent marketing strategy that will continue to drive traffic to your store. You can't just rely on Google ads or Facebook ads alone. You need to use other marketing channels as well, like email marketing, content creation, social media marketing. Most importantly, be consistent. Consistent marketing is one of the most important parts of a successful business. If you're not consistently telling people about your company, about your business, about your uniqueness, then no one will know it exists. And you can't expect to land customers if they don't know you exist, number one, and if you don't put your message in front of them enough times. Now, more than ever before in the history of humanity, entrepreneurs have access to free, low-cost resources that were previously available to only large corporations. This means that you can create a brand, a great brand, without spending a lot of money. You just need to have the right strategy and be consistent with your marketing. Number 6, increase your conversion rate. It's far easier to sell something to someone you already do business with than it is if they're a stranger. First, find opportunities where the client can expand their purchase or make more purchases from you. Then give them incentives, either by increasing value, maybe buy one, get one free, or reducing costs, 20% off today only type of thing. And number 7, use social proof. You see, social proof is the idea that we are more likely to do something if we see other people doing it. You can use this to increase your conversion rate by showing testimonials, reviews, or social media posts of people who have used your products or services. And as promised, here is a bonus tip that will definitely help you increase your sales in your business. And it is work with affiliate marketers. Using affiliate marketers to sell your product is a great way to increase sales. I'm a big fan of that. If you follow me on the channel, you see that's what I always talk about. Affiliate marketers will promote your products or services and get paid a commission if they make a sale. They are not employees of your business. They work on their own time and they're not responsible for managing the relationship with your customers. That's your responsibility, but they'll drive traffic to you. They're an essential part of the affiliate marketing business model because they help you generate sales without you having to do a lot of the legwork. They do it. You can use this to your advantage by working with affiliate marketers who promote your products or services on their blogs, social media channels, and websites. And they can easily increase sales because you don't have to pay any money upfront. It'll increase sales in your business. Instead, you only pay the affiliate marketer if they refer someone to your business and that person makes a sale. Now, if you'd like to know more about affiliate marketing, specifically my favorite one, high-ticket affiliate marketing, and you want to know how to work with affiliate marketers and how to use high-ticket affiliate marketing to boost the sales in your business, then click the link in the description for more information. I hope this video has been of value to you. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.